And it is time that we unbox some of the cars that will be coming in the mail-in tournament. Number 14 being the first one. And we'll just take a look here. The green Gordita, as it's called. And I'll remind you guys that we've extended the deadline for cars to January 31st, as some people have requested more time for shipping and handling and all the processes of that. So please, if you have not already submitted a car, or you're thinking of one, or thought you ran out of time, or whatever it is, January 31st, you got some time. Submit one if you haven't already. This is going to be a wonderful chance to see your very own vehicle race on the channel. And you see the first of which, number 14, is showing here. And please, if you can, write your entry number on the package that you send to the channel so we can organize it a little bit better. If you don't, it's not the end of the world, but it's really, really, really useful if you can do that. Number 53 next, Flying Donut Diecast Racing. That's the name. And it looks like we have a little bit of a letter here too. Good luck with your new channel, Races and Fun. Looking forward to a good race, from Brian. Thank you, Brian, and we are excited to have you as a part. And a beautiful vehicle you have for us here. Number 63, great colors. Where's the Studebaker? Flying Donut is in. Number 39, the Samuel Cook. I don't know if that's the name of the car or just the name of the guy. But, well, that's the name he wants. And we're opening it up here. Number 39. And it's a Corvette. Still in the package. Untouched, untampered with until now. Beautiful vehicle. Looks brand new. Obviously no lubing or graphite were used on this one, as it was, well, unopened. Remember, you can lube and graphite the wheels and all that stuff. Well, just those two things as adjustments. But other than that, no other adjustments. Remember, just graphite, just lube. That's the extent. Axel Bradshaw, number 19. We have a little bit of a note here. I'll just named Coombs, it says. Number 3 on it, Axel written on the bottom. That one looks fast. Number 26, from Ryan Lopez, I'm assuming. And we're getting them open here. Still packaged. Oh, we got the Arlo logo, Arlo Racing. And those are beautiful stickers. Thank you for including those along with the vehicle. We appreciate that very much. And it seems like it's packaged really tightly in there. Previously opened, but bubble wrapped nicely. Funny way to slip some advertising for his own racing in there as well. Arlo Racing. Number 51. Getting his official tag. And will be set aside for now. Number 9, Bolo Brown. We'll take him out. He's wrapped tightly. We might have a note here. If it said anything of importance, we don't get to see. Oh, beautiful car. Number 52, white wheels, gold rims. I mean, that's wonderful. Subaru, it looks like. I'm going to take that number 9 and we're going to put him away. Number 56, Jonathan D Wickham. Full name written right out there. It is so exciting. I have to be honest. It is absolutely exciting to see these cars all being shipped in. I really am very excited for the mail-in tournament. How wonderful. Nice rims there too, bright white with the racing stripe. Just a beautiful vehicle. And looks quite fast. Number 36, Bryce Hatton. And while I'm here, I'm wondering if a double elimination tournament might be in good order there, just so we give every car as fair as possible a chance to win as we can. We're thinking of it. We're thinking of it. If you happen to hear this part of the voiceover, I would put a comment if I were you, if you think it's a good idea. Number 12, Daniel Alexander. How exciting. Nice box for us there. Little box inside the box, and we've got the car going here. Oh, look at that, 87. Beautiful. Every car coming out, different colors, different decaling, different rims, different wheels, different makes. This one's a Ford Sierra. Just a good diversity of vehicles. And thanks, Brendan. Well, thank you for submitting your very own racer. I'm really just ecstatic for it, if I'm honest. Just absolutely ready for this. It's the little things that excite me. This has got to be one of them. Junkers. I don't know, Pete. Number 3 from Pete. Looks like it's a Ferrari. I don't know what Junkers is. I don't know if I read that right, but this one looks nice. Little Ferrari logo there on the shoulder. And let's see if it has the speed. And put it aside. These unboxings are really exciting too. Really get a chance to just see how everyone mailed in their vehicle and how they accompanied the trip of their car with anything, with what kind of packaging and everything. I think it's just fascinating. Number 46 here. Chrysler. Nice, like matte green. Just, and it's from Scott Russell. Welcome aboard, Scott. This is for entry number 46, Scott Dean Russell. The Facebook account that messaged you was from Amy Russell, his mother. This is a color change car. Just want to let you know so you didn't think we did any custom work to it. We also use graphite, but nothing else. Thank you so much, Scott. Dean is so excited. I'm assuming he must be a young man or a young person who's very excited to see his car race, and no worries on the color changing aspect. We understand that's a feature. It's built in, and maybe we'll get to utilize that. We'll see. Number 21 here. Wrapped tightly with everything curved around it. Ooh, that one looks nice. X3. High roller. I think we've seen this one before. Maybe in a way back in an old tournament, Street Beast kind of thing. Seen a high roller. Leroy Brown, number 21. And we continue to fill it out. Number 11. Oh, look at that thing. Happy Lopez, the driver, as indicated. Kick kart. Wonderful. Cloaked After Dark is the team. I wonder how that one will do. Honestly, looking not super aerodynamic, but maybe it will surprise me. I mean, a duck and roll doesn't look very aerodynamic either, if I'm honest. And that thing just kills it out there on the track. Victor Quiles. Quills? I don't know. Number 5. And this one, QR Motorsports, the Dodge Viper 2006, I think. Welcome, Victor. 23, Felipe Sabinas. Oh, nice stickers. I could use a couple of those. West Cozen. West Cozen. Speed Shop. And that one looks nice. Almost looks like a model from the old Cars movie. Number 42, Beaverworks. We really got to rip open that package. He comes with a little card there. He's on YouTube. Getting his ad in there. Good time to do it. Great logo. 81 Camaro. I'm always getting that wrong. I think it is Camaro. I'm pretty sure people are saying Camaro. So I'm sorry for saying Camaro yet again. Number 31, big old box here. With a whole container and everything. Some people really want to make sure their cars are not tampered with. Chase Family Racing, driver end count. Wonderful name. DeLorean, I believe that is. Looking good, looking fast. Time machine. And he'll be put away for later. Number 52, Norman Hawley. Welcome. Who's this going to be? Ooh. Looks like a blue shark. Two out of the same model. 500 more in his collection. Blue shark is not the fastest that he owns. I think that's what it says. Well, wow, you have quite a collection. Good for you. Let's hope this one shines in this particular race. I wonder if anybody really went to town with the graphite and the lube and tried to really boost their car's performance ability. Number 59. And we're opening it here. Another note. I think just some information. Nickname Yasu. Yasu. Thanks for the pronunciation. He knows I'd mess that up. That's great. Yasu. Joshua Hodge sent in entrant number 59. Yokohama. Beautiful black and red vehicle. And this should be good. Yasu. Number 7. There's a big old note. Maybe it's just information. I don't know. Yeah, looks like it. Redline Derby Racing. Gold vehicle. Lamborghini Veneno. And stuck on the top there, number 7 from Lightman. Well, not from Lightman. He is Lightman, the racer. 25. What do we got here? Through all those packing peanuts. Lone Star from a Pontiac. Well, we got a Pontiac called the Lone Star. LYDC. Yeah, nice one. And this is the Lone Star. We'll go by the name. I can't imagine how all these cars will race quite yet. We just haven't had a chance to see them. But that's gonna bring us towards the end of our unboxing in this one. We have more spots. Keep on sending them in, and we'll continue to unbox and prepare for the coming mail-in tournament. I'm extremely excited I know you guys are too, and we will do what we can to make this the best fan tournament we can, and hopefully continue to do things like this over time. It's certainly been very awesome to make this venture and a new idea here on Races and Fun. That will do it for this one. Subscribe if you have not already. Hit that notification so you know when videos are out, and we'll see you next time on the channel.